Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
After a battle in 1721, the Hakka formed 6 armies to protect their hometown. They called the place where these 6 armies camped Liudui, or 6 teams. Later, the word dui, meaning team, was replaced by the Hakka word for village, which is also pronounced dui. Today, Pingtung County's Neipu is the heart of Liudui County.
清康熙60年朱一贵事件，高平地区的客家先民组织了6支义勇军保卫家乡。事件平定后，将6营所在地称为6队。后因队与堆在客语的读音相近，再加上堆有聚落的意思，便改称6堆。屏东县内埔乡不仅是6堆的枢纽，也是6堆中人口最多的乡镇。
Hi everybody, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是阿兵哥 Leo。
大家好, I'm Tim Berge. And Leo, I'm really happy to be here for the very first time sitting in for Joseph, and we're going to be talking about some fun places to visit down in southern Taiwan.
今日要帶大家去南埔，就係屏東嘅內埔。
We're going to someplace in Pingtung today.
錯，屏東
內埔，那是什麼地方？
屏東內埔就是屏東內埔。
內埔 Okay, so we're going to Neipu Township down in Pingtung County. 可以去看什麼東西呢？ What can we visit while we're down here in Neipu?
到內埔一定要去一位所就係你就得去聖目酒觀光啤酒廠來喝啤酒。
That's right. The weather's very hot down there, so we want to have a nice, cool glass of beer. 啤酒啦。那剛剛啤酒怎麼說？
目酒。
目酒。
客語的意思就是麥酒，用麥酒去釀造的酒。
對。So it's made from hops, so it's 麥酒。Okay, so we can stop by the brewery and visit that. What else can we visit while we're down there?
那我都有一個內埔一定要去看的就係內埔的媽祖宮。
媽祖 So there must be a Mazu temple there.
Yeah, 一片的媽祖供奉的較無同樣，一般的供奉的係五面媽祖，一片供奉的係鳳面媽祖。
Okay, I was going to say, I think I caught the word there for 面 for face. So what kind of a face 媽祖 is it? 這是怎麼樣的一個媽祖呢？
鳳面媽祖，紅面的媽祖，
紅面媽祖 the red-faced 媽祖。But and I think you said there was another 媽祖 there too.
一般的都是黑面媽祖。
黑面媽祖 the black-faced 媽祖。
五面媽祖。
五面媽祖 the black-faced 媽祖。Okay, so this temple is very special because unlike most temples which only have the black-faced 媽祖, this one has a red-faced 媽祖 instead. Okay, that's very interesting. Okay, well that does it for today's Talk About Hakka. I'm Tim Berge.
我係 Leo，什麼大家按時找來了。
See you next time.
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.